Hello, all my little toy cousins. It's me, Uncle Alex from Toy Uncles. And today, as you can see, we have the Kinder Surprise egg. We're going to be opening and eating this Kinder Surprise egg and also opening the toy inside. Let's get started on the wrapper. Gotta be utmost careful not to crack your Kinder Surprise egg. Okay, here we have the leg. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe I'll go turn on the lights. Probably should have started with the lights on, but here we have our Kinder Surprise egg. So let's open this up. There we go. Pick that up. Chuck it in your mouth. Let's put our chocolate down for now. And let's open our toy. Okay, what do we got? Let's open up our toy guidebook. We got this thing. So let's see, how do you do this? Okay. I think I put this in like that. Okay, I see. It's a fingy puppet. Look guys, I'm an owl. Ha ha ha. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? It's my little song. Felt like it was pretty good. So here's our owl finger puppet family owl. And now let's eat our chocolate. You know what? You just listen to me eat the chocolate. Some good chocolate. Wow, that was some really good chocolate. Now, let's play with our toy caps. Let's play with our toy capsule. Look, now it can be a crane. Well, we can also do this. So now, it's like this. Now we got a fun little toy again. It's like a giraffe dinosaur. Rawr, I'm a giraffe dinosaur. I am going to eat you. No, don't eat me. I am an owl finger puppet. And then the dinosaur ate the owl at the end.